Pagkatapos sa SM, we are looking for a gown for my sister's birthday. Ay, birthday. For my sister's birthday. Wedding. Galing. Yes. This one is on sale. You know, tanaman ang babae. Kaya kapangita ko sa size.
Ganit.
Ha?
Got to. Ano ko naka-views?
Can you say that it's your last day of being an Opina?
Wala. Wala.
You will be a manangkil na.
Wala na. It's over, Mom.
Sure na na.
Kung may bayad din, saan ka na-swimming?
May curse now.
Buti pa.
Ilan address?
So we're here guys at 65th Hotel sa Tubangan, San Cheesy. Ah! Naya ba? Eh. Say hi. Hello, last hour mo na maging Opina. Sabi mo na anak mo ay ikakasal na. Wait, I'm speechless. Bumibisi pa po.
So this is not a civil wedding. This is a church wedding. Living together. Undeserved. Sino ba hindi nagkakasala dito?
Love does not delight in the earth, but rejoice
expect about communion. That's God's favor. That is good grace. We don't deserve it, but it's ours. Jesus already paid for all these things.
Good joy, heartbreak, uncertainty, and hope.
See each other at our youngest, our most unsure, and now at our most certain.
And God's faithful presence
And God's faithful mercy.
in our marriage. I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
Wear it
Wear it
as a reminder
as a reminder
of my faithful love
of my faithful love.
and God's faith. For Ryan and Thea, we apply that.
Wala maka mo nagsaot. Wala naman. First Corinthians 13 verses 4 to 8. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails, but where there are prophecies, they will cease. Where there are tongues, they will be stilled. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away.